Good morning from Utah. It's a Friday. Friday means off-road day. Right now we're doing a picnic with the CV, and the CV has a boo-boo, and we're gonna stitch the boo-boo because there's the only way we can do. What we're gonna do, we have a needle and a nylon for fishing. I'm gonna stitch the boot. Mr. Surgeon. Yeah, so we got the needles through the crack. Put it in there. Show it to them. Am I pointing at the stitches? Yep. And if you guys want to buy this stitching set for CVs, well, Harbor and Fright has that. It's a rainbow knife from Harbor and Fright, and it has a special stitching setup for Toyota CV AXEL boot.
Yeah, do that a couple of times.
And this is how marriage looks like. Yeah. Here, it might sound ridiculous, but the stitches are holding. We are 140 miles later, off-roading mostly, as you can see, and the boot is dry. Stitches are good.